Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything related to Firestick tips, application guides, and streaming optimization. If you are tired of searching for individual application download links one by one on your Firestick, then using Unlinked is easily one of the most convenient solutions available today. Unlinked allows you to enter simple library codes that grant instant access to entire repositories, filled with sports applications, movie streaming options, live television platforms, anime hubs, and essential Firestick utilities. Since these third-party library codes frequently expire or change over time, we have tested and rounded up the absolute best working unlinked codes that you can start using right away. Before accessing any unverified app store on your streaming device, it is always a smart practice to protect your personal internet connection by using a reliable virtual private network. Let us jump straight into the top 16 unlinked library codes currently active for your Firestick. The first code on our list is FIRETVGURU. This is a very popular store that hosts over 100 different applications tailored specifically for Firestick users. Inside this library, you will find a massive collection of free sports streaming apps, robust media players, and reliable movie applications. Some of the most notable applications available inside include Film Plus, BTV, OnePix Media, and Drama Player. The best part about this code is that it does not require any personal identification number to unlock. The second library code you should check out is EMDYOUTUBE. This store features a smaller, highly curated library containing 54 specialized applications. Despite its compact size, it stands out because of its exceptional variety and high-quality utility apps. You will find great tools like AM Player, T-Flix, IPVanish, and Streamflix inside. This library is completely free to enter without any lock pin. Our third featured code is EB2E4A4C. This library has been active and consistently updated for several years, making it a staple among experienced Firestick owners. It contains roughly 80 different applications organized inside a clean interface. Inside, you can quickly download fan favorites such as Cinema HD, BTV, Ola TV, Mouse Toggle, and Film Plus. You do not need a PIN to access this library. The fourth choice on our list is DOGBERTS. Established back in 2021, this well-established library is categorized into 13 distinct sections, featuring nearly 150 total files. It serves as an excellent resource for network browsers and file management tools. Popular titles in this store include IPTV Smarters, MX Player, OTT Navigator, and TVMate. Access is completely unrestricted without any PIN required. Fifth on our list is ZINONETIC. This is a relatively new and well-maintained repository that has been gaining a lot of traction among streamers. It holds 76 selected applications focused on high-definition movies, live sports, and top-tier media players. Some of the standouts inside include FlixVision, NordVPN, Cinema HQ, and Cyberflix. You can open this library instantly without entering a PIN. The sixth code you should try is 7919EOD4. Known as Stream Kings, this massive repository holds over 800 applications, making it one of the largest unlinked stores in existence. The owner regularly refreshes the collection to ensure that dead links are removed and updated builds are uploaded. Key downloads include Syncler, Blink Streams, 9Xtreme IPTV Player, and Uplinked. This library is completely open without requiring any PIN. Our seventh recommendation is 2D8622CF. This store, DNS Free Streaming, features 80 premium apps and utilities. It's secured with PIN 22042026 to maintain fresh links. Inside, you'll find top apps like Bear Player, Cineplus, Cinema HQ, and Downloader. Eighth is 676645537, the Stream It All library. It offers over 200 apps for anime, sports, music, and maintenance. Popular apps include Media Lounge, MX Player, Stremio, and Cinema HD. Best of all, no PIN is needed for this store. The ninth library code on our list is 12341234. This store is widely recognized as the IPTV Superstore and boasts a huge collection of over 900 apps. You can browse through categories ranging from live sports and custom Kodi forks to audio streaming tools and device utilities. Key highlights in this store include Lepto Sports, Ocean Streams, Spotify, Streamio, Syncler, and Kodi. You can access this entire collection without needing a PIN. 10th on the list is the code FIRESTICK. Entering this simple word grants access to the NewTek Apps library, which offers 53 handpicked applications tailored specifically for Amazon devices. It includes a balanced mix of official free streaming choices, media players, security tools, and web browsers. Some notable apps in this store are Zumo Play, Pluto TV, Popcorn Flix, BTV, LiveNet TV, and Streamfire. No PIN is required to browse these files. 11th on our list is 9696000. This library is known as Top Store and features 43 specialized applications that focus heavily on ad-free playback and device utilities. To open this collection, you will need to type in the PIN 911911 when requested. Inside, you will discover useful tools and players such as AdGuard, AM Player, Beast Player, HD Streams, FlixVision, and CyberFlix. 12th on the list is 9OD311FE. Designed specifically for movie and television series enthusiasts, this library focuses on quality over raw quantity. It contains around 40 highly stable applications covering on-demand films, trending series, and international anime channels. Notable apps inside include HDO Box, TTV, Anime World, LiveNet TV, Nova TV, and Viva TV. You can enter this store freely without any PIN. Our 13th recommendation is 7CD6A4FI. Known as Premium Apps, this library offers a smaller collection of modded and ad-free applications designed for a smoother viewing experience. To unlock this library, enter the access PIN 911911. Inside, you can download popular choices like Tubi, TV Tap Pro, FilmRise, and HD Streams. 14th on our list is the code SUPERAPPS. This code opens the Mega AP Pack Store, which contains 54 applications tailored for all types of streaming needs. You will find dedicated sections for cartoons, live sports, utilities, and movies. To unlock this repository, use the PIN 911911. Key applications inside include APK Time, Movie HD, UK Turks, Aston Cine, and Cartoon HD. 15th on the list is 336-27466, known as Stream Doctor. This store contains over 75 apps that help keep your Firestick operating smoothly alongside entertainment options. It features system maintenance utilities, virtual private network tools, and on-demand video applications. Highlights include Streamio, Kuko TV, Viva TV, and Sofa TV. Access is completely free with no PIN required. 16th on our list is the code EVERYTHING. It gives access to 71 diverse applications. Notable selections include Film Plus, 123 Movies, NordVPN, Virus Total, and IPTV Smarters Pro. No PIN is needed. To use these codes, first install the Unlinked app using the downloader tool on your Firestick. Open Unlinked and click Add a new library. Then, enter your chosen code using the keyboard. If prompted for a PIN, enter it or leave it blank if none is required. The app will fetch the entire repository. Click any app to download. Once finished, hit Install. Remember to enable Install Unknown Apps in your settings. That is it. You are all set to enjoy your new apps on your Firestick. Happy streaming! If you ever run into any issues where an unlinked library is not loading or an app fails to install, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you should follow. Start by going into your Firestick settings to clear the app cache for unlinked. You can also force stop any active background applications to free up system memory, or simply restart your Firestick device. Changing your virtual private network server location can also resolve temporary connection blocks instantly. That completes our walkthrough of the top 16 unlinked codes working right now. Here at Tech Vibes, we are dedicated to bringing you the best streaming guides, application breakdowns, and device optimization tips every single week. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit that like button right now. Do not forget to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more essential Firestick tutorials. Leave a comment down below, letting us know which unlinked code is your personal favorite.